ओम साधुदर्शनम पापविमोचनम संन्यासाश्रयकारेण नरो नारायणमुच्यते. ओम सोमाय नमः. Prajnanam Brahma, the Mahavakya from Rigveda, declares the consciousness is knowledge. Now, the word knowledge is not to be understood as a mere outer meaning. When you peep into the word, knowledge always has two sections. One is the information, which is always extroverted technology of what is to be said. The second one is the experience of what is already declared. So, whole knowledge, when you say Purna Vidya, the information of the external and the experience of the internal. The one only consciousness, external knowledge is called in outer language rare knowledge. It's only explanation. It's only information. It gives an idea what is to be explained. The inner part is the experience of what is to be explained. When you hear the word Rasgulla, you may just imagine what is Rasgulla. Rasgulla is made of that, this and all, maybe little liquidized. That's all you know about Rasgulla. So this is information regarding Rasgulla. Whereas you entered into a party of your friend, birthday party, and they are an Orthodox family. Not like nowadays, people used to cut the cake and blow off the lamp. The Orthodox family, they put a lamp with all the 5 theories and they lighted the lamp. In front of the lamp, all the special items are kept. All the dishes are served, and there comes Rasgulla. What you have already heard regarding Rasgulla, you have already memorized, and when you taste it, the taste of Rasgulla has made you experience what is the experience of Rasgulla. Is it clear? The information of Rasgulla is externally received, whereas the experience of its taste when you tasted in a party is internally experienced. So, prajnanam, praharshena jnanam is the knowledge with experience. This is what Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma declares to his closest friend and warrior, mighty warrior Arjuna, that Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre. Brahma Vidya is a theoretical value and Yoga Shastra is a practical technology. So the practical technology is to be experienced and the theoretical value is to be applied. So knowledge has two sections. One is the theoretical part and the second one is the practical part. The whole knowledge, Purna Vidya, is theory, practical combined. Veda is combination of theory and practical together. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.